Air France 008 is calling ground.
Say again?
Route from Air France 008, please, answer.
Hello, good evening, how can I help you? This is your first time calling me?
Yes, this is Air France 008. We are on standard 9, and there is an Alitalia passing behind us that hit our aircraft. It's very dangerous for him not to take off.
Can you say this again, please? You're saying that the Alitalia aircraft hit you? Where are you?
This Alitalia was to take off. Better to control the takeoff.
Okay, where are you?
Did you copy for the Alitalia? I don't know which Alitalia.
Okay, where are you, Alitalia?
This is Air France 008. We got a damage from an Alitalia passing behind on standard 9. I'm not aware that the pilots where they are damaged the aircraft.
Are you sure it was Alitalia?
Yes, the ground staff told me it was an Alitalia.
Air France, where are you?
We are at the gate number 9. Gate number 9.
Air France 008. I would like you to call us out, please.
Yes, Air France 008 has the ground, and for you to stop the takeoff from Alitalia because he has damaged his aircraft.
Air France 008, please call. You ready to copy the phone number?
Air France 008, please?
Yes, area code 718 656
718-656. Okay.
It's Tower 611 Heavy.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just to let you know, another aircraft on the ground currently, Air France, said that you hit them or something of that nature while you were taxiing. Did you experience any damage to the aircraft?
Negative, sir.
Okay, sir. It's Tower 611 Heavy. Just thought I'd ask you just to make sure. Contact New York departure, please.
New York departure, Tower 611. Ciao.